Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the rankings on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should go to your home page and click on this button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on rank in the second column on the right side. Here you can see the classic TPP rankings. So if you tap on it, you can see 4 subcategories: total ranking, survival ranking, elimination ranking, and season ranking. So here you can see the rank, name, and season rating at the top of this section. And you can also check out the classic FPP, popularity gifts, RP ranking, achievement ranking, and these 4 categories can be checked out as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.